Hi, Helena. I am going to give you some feedback on your project, and I'm going through all the documents that you gave me. Um, you're creating a timeline, and um, that's interesting. It says a second document with all your information and sources cited here. I don't think I got that document. Um, yeah, this is a very good plan. And then we have week one, and you're showing some of the work that you've done and exploring different tools to do your timeline. And I see that also with week three. And then um, the actual project here, and I guess it's a little hard to kind of show, but I will try to see how this works. That's um, So I think the formatting of this could be a little bit better because I don't have dates on here. And because it's a timeline, you sort of want dates. So this is January. It'd be nice if this was in bold, right? And then you have to think too that this isn't accessible. You've got a pink background and a light white. So you really need dark kind of colors here. And then again, this is fairly generic. Um, so what events projected for early 25 indicate a strategy shift into building the fundamental and structure required for next generation fostering intellectual competition? So I'm not sure what that means. So sometimes the statements are a bit vague. Now this is quite detailed, but I think it would be better not centered. It looks like you're centering this. Because it's a little hard to read, and again, the accessibility is hard. Now, the details, accessibility is an issue here. You have to have a dark background with white text. Now, these are the research findings, which is important. Again, maybe there's a way to emphasize it. It's February, this is June, this is July. Now, studies also highlight potential to grade assignments. Okay, so that's pretty general. And again, it's just a timeline, but this is, a very useful point. Now, you have August 2024, but you're looking at studies in 2022. So that was a little bit confusing. And then it's good that you're actually, it's sort of a timeline, but it's kind of a research thing, which is, I like that. So I like um, the knowledge in there. I'm just not sure if this was the best way to present that knowledge as a timeline. This is the most significant one in terms of in 2024. You've got the most research there. Yeah, so I guess it's the way these are presented. It's a lot of text. It's a bit hard to follow. Well, it's hard to follow because you've centered, and it'd be like what point, and then there's no dates here. And so now I'm just pointing out those little things. I think overall it's a very meaningful project that doesn't really present as a timeline. Yeah, a little bit challenging the formatting, a little bit of challenging with the dates, a little bit of challenging with the accessibility, but high value in terms of the research you've done, although it isn't as clear. Um, and maybe I missed something here. I see the timeline, but I don't see that list of references. So um, you give a good description, the hours spent. You've got two learning outcomes that you addressed. And I'm not sure that I would call Prezi an AI tool. It's hard for me to realize what is AI about it. that looks like the Prezi I've seen before. But ChatGPT is in Notebook LM certainly helped you, and I can see that you've learned a lot. Um, and then the way you've covered your challenges or addressed them is good. Um, and the specific use of tools is your description and detail here is somewhat limited. So it's like I played around with the functions early on. The project was unfavorable. Why? Um, you call it Prezi AI, but I'm not sure what the AI is, the component. The Chat GPT I understand, but I could see Gemini being also something that would be equally as good. Um, uh, and uh, and then you looked with Canva, so that's good. So you played with these tools, and I would think it would be good to have the resources as a list as well. So overall, I think it's a very significant project, and I think you had a lot of learning. I would probably put it in the more the A minus to A category, somewhere in there. But overall, I think you did a very nice job of this.